But first, join us on our way to Bpi-Nsqcs Babatngon Leyte for our educational tour. Welcome to Bpi-Nsqcs Babatngon Leyte. An SQCS, or the National Seed Quality Control Service, is a government agency in the Philippines responsible for ensuring the quality of seeds used in agriculture. Their primary goal is to promote the production and distribution of high-quality seeds to farmers, ultimately improving crops and the livelihoods of agricultural workers. Here, as we enter the room where we first had our lecture, the head of an SQCS Babatngon Leyte welcomed us with warm heart. She introduced to us the history of an SQCS Babatngon Leyte on how it built over time. She also introduced on what they do inside the SQCS building, on how they certified seeds, classified seeds, and produced a high-quality seeds. As we enter the moisture content room, they first introduced us on why it is needed to measure the moisture content of the seeds. Because it is for us to know the amount of water present in the seeds. It is important for seed viability, seed storage, and seed germination. Here, one of our classmates tried to measure the moisture content of the rice seeds by using the digital grain moisture meter. These are the apparatus used for other way of measuring the moisture content of the seeds. In the seed germination room, the lab tech first introduced us on how to germinate the seeds. She also demonstrated on how to germinate the seeds using the ragdoll method. This germination test is to test the farmer's seed if their seed is viable, high vigor, or if their seed is in dormancy period. We then experience to separate the normal seedling, abnormal seedlings, and the dead seed. In physical purity room here, you will identify the pure seed, inert matter, and other seed. Firstly, you should weigh your seed in the analytical balance for the accuracy. Then after that, put the seeds in the tube of the blower. This process separates the pure seed, inert matter, and other seed. Then after blowing, sieve it for accurate data. Then if you see some seeds that did not separate during the blowing process, you can do the hand peeking process. In the varietal purity room here, you will identify the different varieties. Traditional methods rely on visual inspection of morphological characteristics like seed shape, size, and color, along with biological testing of plant growth and chemical analysis of seed composition. Here we experience on how to classify seed variety by using the traditional method. In the seed health room here, although it is still under renovation, still they introduced us that this room will be the one where the seed will be tested. If there is infection on it, they will classify it by using the microscope and the other equipment.
Hello everyone, I'm here to share what I have learned when we went to Babatngon. I learned how to identify the difference between pure variety of seeds and seeds that are mixed with other varieties. I also learned how to classify seeds germinations from normal seeds to abnormal seeds.
So I learned about in our educational tour in Nsqcs Babatngon Leyte is it is very important to the agriculture to test their seeds. Also knowing that the Nsqcs is the one producing a certified seed that our farmers is using. In some parts, they also help the farmers to certify their seeds by having their seeds being tested in their laboratories. So it is my pleasure to visit such a wonderful and amazing place like the Nsqcs, where I learned about how they classify the seed, how they germinate the seed, how they know the moisture content of the seed, and also how they know the varieties of the seeds. That's all. Thank you.